That tire's gonna come up, it's gonna feel not so hot. It'll be fine. Didn't go far. You will not drown today. Turn your back up. I'll still. Hold up that. Yeah. And you need to be on about 6 inches further than you were, or you can be, because you can push this because it's wet. Turn the other way back up. Like that. Beautiful. Nice and easy. Turn this way back up again. Turn this way. I don't turn that way. I'm not dyslexic, that's just what the doctor said.
Hey.
All I gotta do is get you past that rock and then you can rock the ship up there. Back. Alright, turn all the way that way, come up the edge again. I just want to make sure you're going to miss this rock. Visualize success. See yourself at the top. There is only one option. Brandon wasn't so lazy, I'd have to stand over there and I'd tell you. Second gear might not be a bad idea. Or third if it is. You want to have plenty of momentum in those gears. There you go. Yep. Load the jet open.
What it done if you didn't hit that rock?
Yep. Turn this way back again. Your exhaust is out of water. Don't worry about that. Yeah. That Johnson or Edward?
Want to get rear end back over this way from him?
I don't think it really matters. You pop up over there anyway. Here he's got a lot more run room and he's going to make this rock.
Last time it squared up, it took the rain that rock.
Same thing.
Sit right there.
with feeling.
Woo! Hey, I got that on video too.
That was the best back off all day.
I tell you what, you were committed to backing off this. You got it in reverse.
It's going straight to YouTube.